booking. So when you want to do leveling, we have two types of reducing levels in leveling. We have two types of reducing levels. So we have two types of booking. Two types of booking levels. So if we have two types, two methods, it is two methods of reducing levels. It is two methods of reducing levels. So if you have two methods of reducing levels, we have two ways of booking. So the first reducing level method we have the height of collimation. So the height of collimation we said in terms used in leveling, it is also called the height of instrument. The height of instrument. And the second method is the rise and fall. Rise and fall method. So we are going to book, first we book using the height of collimation method. So if you are using the height of collimation method, so when you book, you have to have five main columns. So the first one is the backside. We say the backside is the first reading after setting the machine. Then we have the intermediate site. Any other reading between the first reading and the last reading. And we have the foresight. The foresight is the last reading taken, is called the foresight. My biro, my felt pen is not working. So we have the foresight. So we have the five main columns. We have the back side, we have the intermediate side, we have the foresight. Then you can introduce another column, which is the distance. Then in height of collimation, you come and say the height of instrument or the height of collimation, the height of instrument or the height of collimation. Then we have the reduced level, Then lastly, you have the remarks. So when you want to reduce levels using the height of collimation method, you have you book. Your booking sheet should look like this. So you have the back side, the intermediate side, the foresight, the distance, the height of collimation, the reduced level, and the remarks. So the distance, this is optional. Sometimes you can go to a question and find that the distance is not there. So if the distance is there, you can include there. So that is the booking for when this is the booking sheet for the height of collimation method. When you want to reduce levels using the height of collimation method. But when you want to use the rise and fall method. When you want to use the rise and fall method, your booking should be, you have the main columns. So it is the back side, you have the back side, that's the first reading. Then you have the intermediate side. Any reading between the back side and the foresight. And then you will have you'll find the foresight, which is the last reading before moving your instrument. And then you'll have the rise. Then you'll have a column for fall. So let me include the distance. So the distance, but it's optional. So let me include the distance. So we can have the distance there. Then you will have the rise, then the fall, and then after you have the rise and the fall, you'll have the reduced level. Then lastly, you'll have the remarks. You'll have the remarks. So when you're reducing level using the rise and fall method, your booking sheet should look like this. So